On today's agenda, we're gonna clear some more tree stumps that I cut down the other day and start grading that very difficult piece with all the rocks. Might take a little while, and I got a really late start today, so this video might be a little bit shorter than the usual ones. Started down there. It was crazy, the rock picking. I mean, there's more rocks than earth, really. But almost through that patch. So all here started taking stuff out. Made a little mud pit pile there. Filled that back up right there. The muddy stuff. Well, it's hardening. It's pretty good. So maybe it just needs to be drying out, and then it should be good. And then cleared all the rocks here. There's a whole pit there that's full of rocks. Rocks back there. Most of this is done. Just look at the amount of rocks here. It's crazy. I don't even want to know how many rocks I picked up today. Then we cut down a couple trees. Took tree stumps out. There's a couple small ones left and one big one. Tomorrow we're going to clear all this just to make it wider, because it's not wide enough there. This should be pretty easy. Then here, more rocks. Rocks. Today didn't rock with all the rocks. Took all a little bit longer than I thought. But I hope this doesn't become a mud pit and drains still well. There's some rain coming this weekend, and we'll see what it's gonna do. I'm curious if all this stays the way it is. Hopefully, because I'm the expert in road building. I'm just winging it. But so far it looks pretty good. Anyway, this is it. Thanks for watching. Come again back tomorrow. More work.